the smoke rolled in. This is Labor Day, and the other day you could see this turquoise water. It was gorgeous, packed with people. It was amazing. We left here and went over and found a boondocking spot because it was so noisy here. But wow, look at the smoke. I mean, you could see, because there's mountains over there. You cannot see one mountain, period. Oh my gosh. And you can smell the smoke in the air. It's kind of rough, y'all. Kind of rough. This is our new boondocking spot, and it's about a mile up the road. Very nice. We've really enjoyed this spot. I'll put the coordinates in the description below. When you go on a hike with Mr. Childers, you never know what you're going to get into. So we're going up this hill to get to the road at the top, and we came from down there. Wish me luck. We drove down to Waterton National Park. It was absolutely gorgeous once we got through all the smoke. What do you think about your poutine there? Poutine? Poutine. What do you think about it?
It's good.
Yeah?
Good price too.
So 2 drinks and these big boxes. I mean, that's a lot of food.
25.
That's not bad.
14.
Sweet.
Not bad.
Oh, and Kim, we found out where you got the what are they called? Beaver tails, right? Beaver tails. We're gonna take some home. Woohoo! What's the name of this lake? Cameron Lake Walk.
The trail from here takes you up on that peak.
Right there?
Takes you up there. And
Woo!
you can see over into the United States.
Oh, that's cool.
But I ain't walking it today. There's not enough time. It's about
You
10,
ain't got enough days.
about 10 kilometers. Probably about 7.5 miles or so. We ain't gonna do that one today.
We have walked 5 miles today, though.
Oh yeah.
We did really good. And all the walking we've done has been on sidewalks. Well, a little bit on gravel,
Yeah.
but not much.
When we went up to the Prince of Wales, that was kind of on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Because of the traffic and whatnot. They had a trail there, it'd been great, but it was too windy that time. Wind's calmed down now.
Thank goodness, man. It was rough this morning.
Isn't that beautiful? Wow.
It is.
That's some clear water, y'all. Man.
It is downright beautiful.
Yes, it is. And that's where the fire burnt. It burned over into the American side, too, across that ridge is America.
Yep.
And, but that's fire. That's what it does. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, it replenishes and helps the forest.
That's
Kills
it.
the diseased trees, and creates meadows, and it's all a cycle.
It is. Everything's a cycle. Cameron Lake Shore.
And there are bears.
Oh, yeah. And there are bears, yes. There's where we are.
Came from Asia.
Daisies came from Asia?
These here did.
I had no idea.
There's a species here.
Attention, bear. Bear, bear. It's so beautiful. Just beautiful.
This is my ancient beach walk. Wow, y'all, it's amazing. It's an amazing place. You got a nice trail built up around Red Rock Canyon. Wow, it's just amazing. This thing.
And look at the walk.
It was the same thing coming up on the other side.
They had a fire here about 6 years ago.
Yeah, the little trees are coming back.
But is this not a nice walk?
One thing about it, we have been impressed with Canada's parks, with their rest areas, their bathrooms are just been outstanding. Even where it was crowded.
Yeah.
The pit toilets and all have been kept clean. Great. And some places you go, you have flushing toilets, like here.
Yep.